Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily log in into Deepseek.com. Deepseek is a powerful tool for your YouTube content creators, and today I'll walk you through the login process. It's super simple, so let's dive in. First, open up your desired browser and go to the official Deepseek website. You can do this by typing deepseek.com in your address bar. Once you are on the homepage of Deepseek, you'll see two options: Get Deepseek app or Start Now. A new interface will be opened where you'll see a new login page. Here you'll need to enter your login credential. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Just type in your email and password. If you don't remember your password, don't worry, you can just click on forget password to reset it. Alternatively, if you want to make the process even quicker, you can use the login with Google option. Simply click on the login with Google button. If prompted, sign in with your Google credential and grant any necessary permissions. Also choose your account. Now click on continue. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Deepseek dashboard where you can start using the platform features. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into Deepseek.com. Now you can take full advantage of everything the platform has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.